Hi friends, today we want to learn how to solve simultaneous equation involving fractions. Like we have on the screen, we have x plus 1 over 2y equals 9 over 2. We have 1 over 4x minus 1 over 6y equals 5 over 6. So we have equation 1 and equation 2. So how do we solve this question? It is very simple. First of all, we find the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of the denominators. In equation 1, the LCM is 2. So we're going to multiply through by 2. We are going to multiply the entire equation 1 by the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 2 is 2. So this will give us 2x plus 1 over 2 times 2 will give us 1. So that will give us y, which is the same thing as 1y. Then this 9 over 2 times 2 will give us 9. So we can tag this equation 3. So for equation 2, the LCM of 4, 6, and 6 is 12. So we are multiplying through by 12. So 1 over 4 times 12 will give us 3. 3 times 1x will give us 3x. So 1 over 6 times 12 will give us 2. That will give us 2y. Then 5 over 6 times 12 will give us 2. 2 times 5 will give us 10. So we have 10, positive 10. So we're going to tag this equation 4. So from what we have here, you can see we have gotten back to the normal simultaneous equation. We've been able to change the fractions to a linear equation, so we use the normal procedure. So for this one, let's use substitution method to solve this one. So we're going to make y the subject. We're going to make y the subject in equation 3. We want to make y the subject in equation 3. So making y the subject in equation 3, we're going to have y equal to 9 minus 2x. So this 9 minus 2x, like I explained in the normal substitution method, the 9 minus 2x, we're going to use it to replace y in the next equation. Since we made it the subject in equation 3, we're going to substitute it with y in equation 4. We're going to substitute it in the next equation. Don't substitute it in the same equation you made the subject from. So substitute it in the next equation. That means if you make it the subject in equation 3, substitute it in equation 4. If you make it the subject in equation 4, substitute it in equation 3. So since we made this the subject in equation 3, we are substituting it in equation 4. So what do we have in equation 4? We have 3x minus, so instead of y now, we're going to have 2 into brackets 9 minus 2x equals 10. So this will give us 3x minus 2 times 9 is 18, minus times minus is plus, then 2 times 2x will give us 4x equals 10. So from here we're going to collect like terms. 3x and 4x are like terms. Negative 18 and 10 are like terms, so we'll put them together. So that means we're going to have 3x plus 4x equal to 10. Then by the time the negative 18 crosses to the other side, it will become positive 18. So 3x plus 4x will give us 7x equals 10 plus 18 will give us 28. So to find the value of x, we're going to divide both sides by 7. So 7 cancels 7, 28 divided by 7 is 4. So that means our x is equal to 4. We have gotten the value of x now. So remember, we still have to get the value of y. So we're going to substitute again 4 for y. This time around, we can use any of the equations, anyone. We can even use equation 1, we can use equation 2, we can use equation 3, we can use equation 4. Any of the equations at all. So let's do that in equation 2. Let's use equation 2. In equation 2, we have 2x plus y equals 9. So since our x is equal to 4, that will give us 2 times 4 plus y equals 9. So 2 times 4 will give us 8 plus y equals 9. Then we also collect like terms here. So that means 8 here will travel down to this place to meet y. So that will now give us y equal to 9. So because the 8 is crossing the equality sign, the positive sign here will change to what? Negative. So it becomes negative 8. So y is equal to 9 take away 8 is what? 1. So we've gotten the value of x and y. Our x is equal to 4. Then our y is equal to what? 1. So if you check out, if you substitute these in any of the equations, you're going to get the value. So 2x, since x is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So our x is 4, 3 times 4 is 12. So 12 minus y is 1, 2 times 1 is 2. So 12 minus 2 will give us 10. So you can see we the value here gave us the answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, please kindly click on the subscribe button and the notification button so that you can always get notifications each time we upload videos on how to solve some topics in mathematics. We are making it simple for you to understand. Thank you for watching the video once again. See you in my next video.